Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today I bring you this look, which is actually a makeup for beginners, because I wanted to do something very easy, very simple, so that you feel more encouraged to try makeup, to try to do it yourself. So if you want to see how I did this look, please stay and watch. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to start by applying my base, and for this type of makeup I want to do it in a way that I don't have to use so many products, because I want something easy to be done, something, how can I say, doable, that when you see it you think, oh okay, that's something that I can do. So for that reason I want to use a foundation that has a very good coverage, that is between medium and high coverage, because that way I won't have to use later on a concealer. And one foundation that I like that has good coverage is this one by L'Oreal, and the name is Infallible Pro Matte. And I like this one because even so it has a good coverage, it doesn't look fake on your skin. So I'm just gonna apply it, and I like to work by little areas instead of the whole face, because I think this foundation dries fast. Then I'm gonna grab my sponge that I have wet with water already and squeeze the water out of the sponge, and then I'm gonna start blending in. And I also want to apply this foundation here on my under eye and here on my eyelid, and blend it. Okay, as you can see, it gives me a nice coverage. My skin is all even out, just one nice color. Now I want to seal this foundation, but in this case, because I want this makeup to be simple, I'm gonna be using two different colors of face powder. One that is gonna be the same color as my skin tone, or maybe one shade lighter if you want to, that's okay, but no more than one. And the other one, which is going to be a darker color or a darker shade, and let me show it to you. See, this one is the one that looks, or that is closer to my skin tone, to my natural skin tone, and this one is one that is darker, a shade darker. And the reason why I'm using two colors for a face powder is because our face is not just one single color. It has part where it's a little darker and another one when it's a little lighter, and even so the foundation have covered my skin and made my skin look nice, still it's just kind of flat. I don't want that, because that wouldn't look natural. I want for my makeup to look natural and pretty. So in order to mimic that, the different colors that we have on our face, I'm gonna be using the two face powders. I'm gonna get my brush and I'm gonna use the lighter one, and I'm gonna put it here on my nose, here, 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 because I put, remember, my foundation there too, so I have to seal that part too. Then I'm gonna clean my brush, and I'm gonna use the darker shade of powder, and I'm gonna put it right here. And I hope you can see the difference through the camera, because it looks like two colors, but very slightly, not too much. It's not too strong that people are gonna see, oh, you have two colors there. No, it doesn't look that way. It looks natural. Here, so my brush is, as you can see, a round shape, and with my fingers I'm just gonna try to make it kind of like a square or a rectangle, and I'm gonna grab the powder and I'm gonna put it right here to the side. And I'm gonna go all around here, all in all this area. Then I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, which is a really dark gray color and a matte color or matte eyeshadow. I'm gonna use a brush with a thin tip like this one, and I'm gonna be placing that eyeshadow right here, as close as possible to the eyelashes. I got you a little closer so that you can see better. Then I'm gonna clean my brush, and I'm cleaning my brush because I don't want any color on the brush, any eyeshadow, because I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in. And if the brush has some eyeshadow in it, then it's gonna keep putting eyeshadow on the eye, and I don't want that. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it. I'm going to lift the eyeshadow a little bit so it gives me a little of a wing over there. But not much, something very subtle. I'm gonna line my eye. And when I'm lining my eye, I'm doing a really thin line and very, very close to the eyelashes as possible. And my eye here is a little different than this eye. Here is kind of like, I don't know, it has a weird shape. So I always have to be careful how I line my eye. But I'm not gonna try to hide anything this time. I'm just lining it because I want to show you how easy it is just to line. So I'm gonna put on my mascara. And I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes, but only the corner ones. I'm not gonna go all the way in, no, just here on the corner. And the reason why I put the mascara only in the corner right here on the lower lashes is I want more like an almond shape, because in the long run it will give the appearance of my face being a little thinner, versus if I put the mascara all over, it will make my eyes look bigger this way, and I don't want that. I don't want dull looking eyes. Okay, now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows, and for me, I always like to comb my eyebrows before putting any product on them, mainly because I want to take out any residue of any product that might be in there, you know, foundation or whatever product. So I like to use this comb, see? Then I'm gonna use a brush like this that has an angle, as you can see, and it's really thin. And I really like using this product from the brand e.l.f. It's a eyebrow duo, and I like it because it has two things, a gel and a powder. But me, I like to use just the powder side because I think I have enough hair in my eyebrows, so I don't really need to put anything else to make them look nice and full, in my opinion. Now, if you have how can I say, if you don't have enough hair there and it looks kind of bald in certain parts, then what you could do is use the gel first and then the powder, because that way it's going to make your eyebrow look more full, like you had a lot of hair, and that will be really helpful for you. Or you can just go ahead and use a pencil. So I'm gonna grab the powder and I'm gonna put it in all the places where I think I don't have enough hair. So for me it will be here, also here, and I'm also gonna apply some here, but I'm going to be really light-handed with this area because people don't usually have much hair over there, you know, in this area, so I don't need to apply too much there. Now I'm going to apply my blush. I'm gonna grab my brush and I'm gonna put it right here. And finally, I'm gonna apply my lipstick, and this is the one that I'm using, which is an organic lipstick, which is really, really nice to have organic makeup nowadays. So this is how it looks, the color. See? And the brand is Burst Bee, and the color is 502. Okay, this is the final look, but before I go, I want to show you how this makeup looks with false eyelashes. And the reason why I want to do that is because I want to show you the difference of how nice a makeup can look just by wearing false eyelashes. I'm not going to show you in this video how I put my false eyelashes. I'm gonna do it later on in a video. Okay, and this is how the makeup looks with false eyelashes. See how nice it looks? You know, it makes your eyes like, woo, super nice and pretty. So this is the end of the video. I hope that you like it. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you think after watching this video that yeah, makeup is not hard to do. It's something easy. You know, just to start step by step, little at a time. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.